it's me, Auntie Vigini. So today I'm going to share a story with all of you. But before that, we need to sing the story time song so we can sit and relax. Are you ready? Here we go. Everybody take a seat, take a seat, take a seat. Everybody take a seat on your chair. Everybody take a seat, take a seat, take a seat. Everybody take a seat on your chair. Not on the ceiling, not on the stairs. Everybody take a seat on your chair.
The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Written by Vigini Story. Okay, let's see what this story is about. There was once a shepherd. I am so bored, he thought. All day long, all I do is watch sheep, and all sheep do is eat. Not only that, all they say is "Bah, munch, munch, bunch, bah," answered the sheep. Let's see what's to happen next. Nothing ever happens here. None of my friends come to play. I am most bored in the world, thought the shepherd. Munch, munch, munch. Bah, answered the sheep. I wonder if sheep ever get bored, he thought. He decided to teach the sheep some tricks. He expected the sheep would be happy to learn something new, but none of them seemed interested. Munch, munch, munch. Oh, what's happening now? What I need is a little excitement, said the shepherd. Well, what would be exciting? I know, he said. The shepherd boy jumped up from under his tree in the pasture and ran all the way down into the town, yelling, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!" All the town folk came running as the last they could help the shepherd to protect the sheep. They looked everywhere for the wolf. No wolf in the pasture, no wolf on the hill, no wolf in the forest. One of the shepherd boy's friends stayed with him for the rest of the day to make sure wolf was really gone. That was a fun afternoon, thought the shepherd boy. But the next day, munch, munch, munch. Bah! Life in the pasture was back to boring again. What will he do next time? So the shepherd boy jumped up from under his tree and the pasture and ran into the town, this time yelling, "Wolves! Wolves! There are 2 wolves after my sheep!" Oh no! All just like the day before, everyone came running, split to help shepherd boy to protect his sheep. And just like the other day before, they looked everywhere for the wolves. No wolves in the pasture, no wolves on the hill, no wolves in the forest. They must have run away, the shepherd explained. One of the boy's friends stayed with him for the rest of the day, this time to see if there was really a wolf. That was another fine afternoon, thought the shepherd boy after his friend had left. Next day, just when the shepherd boy was beginning to get bored again, he heard a growling sound. Lunch, lunch. Grrr. Oh no. Who do you think it is, friends? He's hearing a growling sound. Let's see who that is. Oh no. And there, by the edge of the pasture, were three big hungry wolves. The sheep started running all directions. For the third time, the shepherd boy jumped up under the tree in the pasture and ran into the town. This time yelling, "Wolves! Wolves! Wolves! There are three wolves after my sheep!" But this time, no one came to help. This time, no one believed him, and the shepherd boy spent the rest of the day looking for his sheep all by himself because they all ran away. See, he always lied to all the town people. This time, no one came to help. The end.
So I hope all my friends enjoyed this story. Until next time, see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.